Hello guys, welcome back to Codedall. In my previous array methods video, I had covered the for each array method, which is pretty useful and you use it a lot, but I'm going to be covering another super duper important array method in this video, which is the dot map array method. So dot map, you saw an example in the for each JS. What we had was book, not the books, I want the numbers. So numbers are for each. We had to create a square numbers array at the starting itself, and we had to write a for each method and write num times num, and then we had to console log that, and we don't need to do that this time. Map is gonna make it slightly easier for us, and my index.html had already used the script tag for map and removed the for each JS, and this is the boilerplate I have for my map JS. And before we go on, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you like the content of my video to push me to make more videos just like this one. And now we could just open it up with live server, which I already have running in port 5501, which is absolutely not important, and I have the console up so we can log stuff out. And now in our map.js, what we need is, you want to square the numbers. So I'm going to be initializing a variable. We're going to let square nums equal to nums.map. We want a num, a number, one of it, and return do math.square. Can you square it? Or now what we could just do is that, and we could console.log square numbers. Okay, sorry, I'm just acting weird. I'm sorry about that. And now let's get going. You got this value, you got this array, and if you want, we could check out the numbers array. It doesn't change, it stays the same. Because we're not actually updating the numbers array. What we're doing is we're creating a new array right there. And I want to try something. What if we remove this and ask it to return load console log that stuff or not? So let's see. Square nums is not defined. I want to remove that console log. I actually commented out. And it doesn't return that. So what we need is we need to declare something. Or we could try to console log this and actually fail probably. We need to actually assign it to a variable before we do anything. It actually works, but this way it works. But we want it actually to come in an array. We want to perform an operation on an array. Suppose we want to spit things out. Suppose we want to spit card components out with basically one as the heading. Okay. So this is the way that we would use. We would actually ask it to console log the numbers, or blob.innerHTML, whatever that is, .innerHTML equals to, we could use template literals and just write nums.map and then go like num, and then yeah, just go that way. This is the way that you would generally use it, but here we want to declare in a variable and all of that. So I think I use it in my Pokédex video as well, because if you haven't, I'll have it linked in the cards right now. You can go check out that video. It's one of my favorite videos that I've made till now. It's really nice. That's the way we go about it. So this is the square numbers and this is the normal numbers, and I'm gonna go do the square root. So let roots equals to nums.map num, return math.square root of num. CLG roots, and you see we get the square roots of each number, and this is the way we do it. So we get 1 and then all these stupid decimals, and yeah, this is the way we're supposed to use map. And map has a whole lot more use cases. Actually, go check out my Pokédex video right now. I'll probably link it in the description, or else it's going to be in the cards. Okay, so please just go check that out. It's really useful. That's a really amazing use case of map, even if you didn't understand what I was saying properly about the use cases. But hopefully you understand this pretty well, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Please drop a like, share, and subscribe below, and I'll see you guys later.